Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations for the value of a and b. So we have a squared minus b squared equals 49. So we have to note something here, that this value of a comma b both are member of is a member of integer. So that is, we get integer solutions. Then let's consider from a squared minus b squared. So this is difference of a 2 squared, and we have it as a plus b multiplied by a minus b equals 49. And we have to note something here, that for every a plus b here, when we have a plus b, so this is always greater than or equals to a minus b. So here is the case we are going to consider. Then we are going to look for the possible values of 49, as we have this as a plus b multiplied by a minus b equals, so we can have this as 1 multiplied by 49, and also we can have this as 49 multiplied by 1, and while the final one is, we can have this as 7 multiplied by 7. So the only integer we consider here is we have only positive integer. So if these are all the cases, so we want to see which one are we going to consider here. So when we take a plus b as 1 and a minus b as 49, we see that a minus b is greater than 1. So which means, according to these conditions, we are going to reject the first condition here, the first conditions, as we move to the second one, a plus b, that is 49, which is greater than a minus b, which is 1. And for this equal to, a plus b and a minus b can be equals to each other. So which means these are the only two valid solutions. Then for the first one, we have a plus b, this equals 49. And we also have a minus b equals 1. And also we have a plus b equals 7. And we have a minus b equals 7. So let's try to solve these three cases, the two cases here we have. So first, this one is a simultaneous equations. We are going to solve for a and b. And suppose I add these two equations together, we have a plus a, that is 2a, and b cancel b. So when this cancelled, we are going to have this equals 1 plus 49, that is, we have it as 50. Then from here, we divide both sides by 2. So by dividing both sides by 2, we know 2 cancel 2, and we have our a equals 25. And also, to get the value of b here, we consider any of the equations, either equation 1 or equation 2. So if you go for the equation 1, we have a plus b equals 49. And to get the value of b, we take this a to other side, as we have b equals 49 minus a. And for the value of a, we have 45. Therefore, we subtract it, and we have 25 minus, we have 49. We have 49 minus 25. So when we subtract these two, we are going to get 24. That is, a equals 25 and b equals 24 for this one. So therefore, for a comma b here, we have it as 25 comma 24 for this. And also, I will try and solve the other case here, which is a plus b equals 7, a minus b equals 7. So I will try to add this as well. So a plus a, that gives us 2a. So and b cancel b, we have this equals 7 plus 7, that is 14. And from here, we divide both sides by 2. So 2 cancel 2, we have a equals this and this, that is 7. And also to get b, we consider any of the equation. So let's say equation 2, for example, we have a minus b equals 7. And we take this 7 here. So all we are going to have here is, we replace this a with 7, and we have 7 minus b. So this equals 7. So which means the only value of b that make this equals to each other is when b equals 0. So at b equals 0, so we have these two sides equals to each other. Then we can now conclude that the value of a comma b here is 7 multiplied by 7 comma 0. So that's the value of this one. And if you try to verify this from these given equations, so using this and this one, so the equation says a squared minus b squared equals 49. So we go for this. We are going to write this as 25 squared minus 24 squared. And we want to check if this equals 49. Then, so by this is too big for me. Then we have to apply sum of difference of 2 squared. So as we add and subtract, when we add these two together, we have 25 plus this, that gives us 49, multiplied by, we also subtract 25 minus 24, that is 1. And we see that this equals 49. So when we take the check of this, so we get 49. And also for this as well, at 7 and 0, a is 7, that is 7 squared minus 0 squared. So I want to check if this equals 49. By this 7 squared, that is 49, and 0 squared, we have it as 0. So this equals 49. And see that the left hand side, which is 49, equals the right hand side, which is 49. So this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.